Hello everyone, welcome back to Revline 89. So today we are unboxing long tube headers for 4.6 GT Mustang. So I'm happy to be able to review this product to the company. So if you guys are interested, check out the link in my video description where you guys can get these for a good price. I personally have used this company before, and I actually have their long tube headers on my 4.0 Mustang that you guys are probably familiar with. So these are the same thing. And that is the PaceSetter long tube headers. Here they are. So they supply everything you need, or everything you're supposedly need. Looks like these have some imperfections on them. Some things that need refined. They're not perfect, you know, they got some nicks and dings and some scratches on them. Doesn't really matter as long as they perform and do their job. So there you guys go. So these would hook up to your manifold. The exhaust flows from here and goes through the pipes and out. Let's check out the other bag here. So it looks like alright. So they're scuffed up pretty good. Some hard nicks in these. Let's see if I can show you. Can you see them? Got some nice scratches on them. But like I said, we don't really care because as long as they perform and as long as it's not too deep. That one's a little deep, but not bad. So overall, yeah, they're headers. So can't wait to try them out someday on the future build. So again, they will go like this. The exhaust will flow through them and out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys for a future video.